Hello guys, for today's video is all about how to add logo brand to your post or like watermark to your post. So now if you're familiar with PixArt, we will use this to edit our photos or our post with our logos and brand. As you open the PixArt, click the add sign below to create our new um, photo. So from here you can click the see all if the picture that you want to add a logo is on your recent um, part, but if not you can click on the all albums and choose. So now we will try to use one of my cake topper to add my logo. When you see like this, you can close and then let us continue to edit. For example, this is the item I want to post in my Facebook page and I want to add my logo at the background. So let's click the add photo. Then next we will choose or look for the logo, watermark or brand name that you want to edit to your post. So choose your logo, then click add to the top rightmost part of your screen. Since screen recording and screenshot of this part of PixArt is strictly prohibited, so I use the other phone to video at this part, so I have to cut out the logo. And as you can see, when I trace it, it's not perfectly under shape, but it will generate by the system and cut it out perfectly. At this part, we will make our logo or your brand less visible, so you have to adjust the opacity. And then when you're satisfied, click the download on top, and then it's automatically saved to your gallery. For more options stated, it depends to you if you want to go for it or not. So when you're done, there's an advertisement, so you have to wait it and then just cancel it and continue. You have to wait to finish the advertisement, so your work will be safe. For me, every project that I made, I don't usually save it to PixArt app, so I always discarded all the changes and then go back to home or just exit the PixArt app and check your gallery. You have it saved already. And I think we're done. So beforehand, I made the Snow White, and now the Beauty and the Beast princess. And hopefully this video will help you to add your logo or your brand name to your post or picture.